Today, in this video, I will be discussing about the law related to exchange and the barter system. Hi, I'm Mrs. Kritika Singh. It's been over a decade that I have been helping and supporting students to qualify Judicial Services Examination. The term exchange has been defined under Section 118 of the Transfer of Property Act. So, an exchange is a transaction where an ownership is transferred in lieu of an ownership. In an exchange, neither thing should be the money. That means if in the transaction either of the thing is money or the consideration, then it would amount to sale. So एक प्रॉपर्टी की जगह दूसरी प्रॉपर्टी आप एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं. So if there is an immovable property and another immovable property and the ownership of this immovable property is exchanged in lieu of the ownership of this immovable property, that is called as exchange. And once the parties have exchanged the ownership of the properties, then a proper registered exchange deed is made by the parties. So the exchange deed is an instrument between the party. What is an instrument? So an instrument is a document which creates, establishes or extinguishes the rights of the parties. Similar provisions as are applicable to sale are also applicable to the exchange deed. Section 108 of the Transfer of Property Act further clarifies that there can also be an exchange of money. So if I am giving money and in return I am getting money, that is also exchange. But in case of exchange of money, there is no registration required. Only an acknowledgement receipt is enough by the exchange authorities. Sometimes we also see that movable properties are also exchanged. For example, I have 10 kgs of rice. I give 10 kgs of rice to A, and A, in lieu of that 10 kgs of rice, gives me 10 kgs of wheat. So that where we are exchanging movable properties, that is called as barter system. But when we are exchanging ownership of immovable properties, that is called as exchange. And a proper exchange deed is also made so that the ownership which is transferred is a legal document and is admissible in the court. If you found this video informative, subscribe to my YouTube channel EJ Law Academy by Mrs. Kritika Singh for more informative videos like this.